today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a brand new strategy that is going to help you get paid in order to watch videos, and you could be making over $15 every single video. It's an amazing way to make money online in 2022, especially because we're nearing the year 2023. I know you guys just want to get a new strategy out there. You guys want to try something new, and this is going to be absolutely perfect for you. This is a completely brand new website, so don't even worry about it. So if you want to know what exactly I'm talking about, then make sure that you click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. First and foremost, you're going to open up google.com, and then you're going to type in the word Twitch TV, then you're going to click on enter, and then you're going to be able to find Twitch TV, obviously, and you're going to click on that link, and you're going to see this page where you're going to find the Twitch website. Now you're going to find a selection of free videos and channels that you can watch, and majority of the videos that you're going to find here are gaming related videos, and we are going to be using videos similar to these ones. And as you can see, we're going to be able to make so much money online. You're going to see this amount of money and this amount of money, and you're going to be earning this much every single video. So first of all, you're going to go onto the website by clicking on the explore icon, okay, just at the top, and then you're going to go through all of the video categories on this website. And as you can see, there's a variety of genres of videos that you can watch right now, but I want you guys to focus on the Fortnite category, since it is one of the most trending gaming videos on Twitch TV right now. So go ahead, click on that. It's going to take you to this page where you're then going to find under the category of Fortnite that it has over 80 million followers. You can see that over here, and these types of videos actually draw and gather the interest of a lot of people. So if we scroll down below, we're going to see all of the videos that we can watch and use to make money online with. And now the next part is you're going to go onto the website called exe.io, which you're going to see here. This is the website. This is what it looks like. And this is what we're going to be using to shorten video lengths, like the videos that we saw on Twitch. And with that, we can make a lot of money online. So don't even worry. It's a very easy task. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything that goes on and everything, how you can register and all of that. So I'm going to show you how you're going to register for a free account on the website to be able to shorten a long URL link. And let's say I'm going to want to make a copy of something after copying this video link. I'm going to come back to the page and insert the Twitch TV link over here. And I'm going to simply shorten this by pressing this button right here. And as you can see, that's the shortened link for you. Now, this website will provide you with the shortened links already, and then we're going to be making a lot of money, okay? So, for example, someone from Germany clicks on my link, I'm going to earn $5. So it depends from where these people come from, how much money exactly am I going to be making, okay? It depends on where these people, these clickers come from. So it's going to play a huge part. If you guys want to know how to make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because I know you guys will love the surprise that we have prepared there for you. So make sure you check our description box down below to do so. Also, I want you guys to leave a comment down below about where you're from, what devices you use, and what your preferred payment method is. And that way I can focus on that when I make future videos for my lovely subscribers. Now let's continue. Like I said, there'll be different amounts of money depending on which country your clickers come from. So we're also going to be finding how to get targeted clickers to get the most amount of money. Okay, that's what we want to do. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up. Now remember, okay, there's a lot of payment options available. So if you don't have PayPal, then you don't even have to worry, because there's a ton available for you. Now we're going to get into the signing up part, and you're going to go to the top of the page. You're going to click on the sign up button, and then you're going to be taken to this page where you're going to be able to sign up for a new account and a membership for completely free. Just fill in your username, email address, confirm your password, hit the register button, and that's literally their is to it. So you can log into your brand account right now. You're going to see how many clicks your links got. Have you got any earnings already, or referral earnings, the average CPM, and obviously it's 0 right now because this is a brand new account. We haven't had any shortened links yet, so I'm going to show you a real life demonstration right now, okay? First, you're going to go back to Twitch TV. You're going to look up 3 different videos under the genre of Fortnite. Now, I'm going to be clicking this video, the second video, and then the third video. Now, these are all 3 of them. Now, we're going to go into the first video. We're going to scroll down. We're going to click on the share button. We're going to copy the link. Then we're going to go back to the dashboard and then put this Twitch TV link into the box. And I want you to click on the shorten button. So that is how you can see how this website automatically lets us shorten this link into a much shorter, more appealing URL. So for now, we're gonna copy and then we're gonna give you a completed script. Okay, this is it. This is the script. You can pause this video, copy it if you want, or make something just similar to this, but this is the script that we're gonna be used. Okay, now this is how the script looks like. Obviously, you're just going to add in your URLs, obviously the 3 URLs there, and then that basically completes the entire link, right? You're just going to paste the URLs onto the script that I have here right now. And again, now we're going to have to find, people from specific places that it's going to earn us most money online. So that's the third video. So it's the same exact process. Obviously, you're just going to do it for the first video, the second video, the third video. Go on to Twitch, get that video, go on to share, copy that link, paste it on the script. That's what you're going to want to do for all 3 videos. You can even put 4 or even more videos if you want to do that, because it really doesn't matter. Obviously, the more videos you have, the better. But just for this example, we're only using 3. Now it's time to look for our traffic, okay? We're gonna go to a forum. This forum is the perfect place for us to get traffic. The traffic that we need, the traffic that we want to acquire, the specific audience that we are looking for. So that's called Forums PCG. Now this is a well-known and it's a popular community where a lot of people discuss a ton of gaming issues, including Fortnite videos. That's why I like this forum, because it's completely free and it's available all over the world, so you are going to get the traffic that you want. If you're loving today's video so far, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment about what you're loving the most about our video so far. It really helps the channel and it makes us really happy to know if you do so. So just make sure you keep watching, because we're almost done and you're almost going to start making money like wildfire. So let's continue. Now, a lot of people are talking about games, as you can see in the PC gaming topic. General gaming, there's over 1,000 threads, over 40,000 messages, and this link is going to take me to this page. You can see here we can find a ton of different articles and individuals who are posting about, gaming, and who are posting about different things related to gaming. Now, there's so many opportunities here that we can make and take advantage of, and that's exactly what we want. So we're going to look for the keyword Fortnite. And you're going to see a lot of topics, a lot of issues, a lot of mentions of this specific video game. So obviously what you're going to want to do is that's where you're going to post this entire script that we had made, okay? You're going to post in this forum. You're going to copy your template, paste it on this forum, share it with even more people if you can, and they're going to click on your link, and that's going to give you more money. Now, the more forums you can paste this on, there are a lot more forums you can go find a forum.net, and a lot more that you can just look up on Google. The more you're able to post about this script, the more you're able to share your link out there, the more money you're gonna make, and that's what we want. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.